morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10. Happy Monday. I've been already just kind of working. I'm editing Vlogmas day 9 from yesterday. Hold on. Before I start chatting with you guys, this morning let's get some coffee because I honestly feel like I need some coffee right now. Today's mug, we're going to be using the color changing mug that my son made for me in one of his classes back in high school. I think that's as far as it's gonna go since I only filled it up that much. Twilight Chick 143, a fusion of beauty, life, and style. Let's add our straw. Chat a little bit before I continue with editing yesterday's Vlogmas. So these next couple days, the calm before the storm, but it's not a bad storm, it's a good storm. Couple of weeks, going to be very busy, and I think this is like the time for me to really collect my thoughts and like make sure I have everything on check. Just gotta work on my time management. Time management is something that I definitely want to nail for 2019. I do use my planner and I write everything down. I just noticed this right now. Mom, did somebody make this ornament? Hello? My mom's friend made this. That's very cute. It has her name, Ollie. I just want you to know that it is the next day. The whole day yesterday, I was just basically on my MacBook and I had a ton of, like, I just had a lot of things that I needed to do, and there were certain things that were due yesterday that I needed to submit. Forgot to eat the whole day, so I didn't have my late lunch. I ended up having my dinner, but that was like at 9 o'clock at night. So basically all I had yesterday was a cup of coffee and nothing else. So it's like I was intermittent fasting the whole day. Sometimes, you know, when you get so into something, you forget about everything else. It was like one of those days. Had dinner, spent time with my husband. We ended up watching The Last Holiday with Queen Latifah. Have you guys seen that movie? That movie is so good. We love that movie because it's one of those heartfelt movies that you can watch over and over again. We were watching it and my eyes shut and I ended up falling asleep, and here we are today. You guys know the deal. It's that time for us to open 24 days of tea from David's Tea, and we are on day number 10. Here is day number 10's box. Day number 10 is called Nutty and Spice. Low caffeine, and you steep between 4 to 5 minutes. Wish you guys could smell this because it smells so good. Okay, let's let that steep. Nutty and Spice, freshly baked fruit cake. That is exactly what it smells like. Ingredients: oolong tea, roasted chicory root, pineapple, papaya, cinnamon, walnuts, ginger, apple, rose pepper, roasted almonds, cardamom, almonds, pistachios, cranberries, rose blossoms, natural and artificial flavoring, and I guess it doesn't contain any calories. Open day number 10, which I found right away. So right down here under holiday traditions. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's a little chocolate train. I don't think I shared it when it arrived, but Darren, you guys know Darren, right? This is actually from his airborne graduation, so they had hoodies and sweatshirts and t-shirts, so he got us this. My husband and I both have matching hoodies. So it says airborne. Then you have the parachuter with wings. And this is their slogan, I guess, or their motto: mess with the best, die like the rest. They also have different designs. It just says airborne on the front and the back, and we received it a week and a half ago, but forgot to share it with you guys. Ooh, this smells so good. It does smell like fruitcake. Go ahead and try the tea. This is so good. You can taste the nutty flavor. If you guys have eaten fruitcake, then it literally tastes like that. I'm not a fan of fruitcake itself, but in this tea, it works. So we are gonna get to today's tea talk. Today we're gonna go with B. Smith's comment. I hope you don't mind, but how did you and your husband meet? Thank you. Hi V, thank you so much for commenting your topic for today. My husband and I met March 7, 1997. Wow, that is like such a long time ago. Just 1 year younger than Darren because Darren's 18. So I was 17 at the time. My husband, yes, he was 17 at that time. We actually met through friends. One of my friends had met him already. His name's Jonathan, by the way. One of my girlfriends already met him because she hung out with Jonathan and his friends, I guess, the week prior. Back in the day, oh my gosh, this is like so back in the day, they used to have these, they were called flyer parties. It's kind of a club, but it's an underage club. So that's basically what it is. But it would have a flyer. Everyone during that time, they had a crew. So that's kind of why I also chose crew, you know, Chicky crew, because it was like a throwback to that time, 1997. It wasn't a gang, but it was like a crew, you know, kind of like your squad. So that type of thing, right? Comment down below if you are like from that time and remember things like that, because that was like the thing back then. It was my girlfriend and I and a couple of his friends. They were also going to be heading over to that same flyer party, so they picked us up. I believe it was in Glendale off of Colorado. I honestly remember looking at him and just being like, wow, he is so fly, he's so cute. I had my eye on him. We ended up dancing together, which is probably one of the only times I've ever really seen my husband dance, because he doesn't dance. He doesn't do that. Okay, back to the topic, how did we meet? So we basically met through that flyer party through mutual friends, and we started talking, eat our chocolate. So we started dating 1997. We got married in 2004. So we have been together for 21 years. Married since 2004, and the really bad thing is that we've been together for so long, which sounds horrible, but I mean, you can even ask him, he'll answer the same thing. We don't even sometimes remember our own wedding anniversary, and the funny thing is that my mom will remember our wedding anniversary. We've been through our share of ups and downs and problems and stuff. Marriage or relationships in general is definitely, you know, something you need to work at. Everyday communication, honesty, and trust. That's basically how my husband and I met. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tea time. I hope it made sense. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and we're gonna hang up day number 10's ornament. Hang up at day number 10. There's day number 10, and here's how our Christmas tree looks. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas day 10 here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry. I know I barely had any footage from yesterday. I hope you guys had a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 11.